This is just a short demonstration for French knots with 2 wraps, but varying strands, and I'll link to a more step-by-step tutorial for French knots in the description below. This first French knot was made using all 6 strands of cotton embroidery floss. Now I'll stitch French knots with 5 strands, then 4, 3, 2, all the way down to just 1 strand of cotton embroidery floss. If you're following a pattern from a designer, that will usually indicate to you how many strands to use for your French knots. If you're doing your own thing and wondering how many strands to use, the truth is that there really are no rules in embroidery, only preferences. Use however many strands it takes to get your desired effect. Hopefully, seeing them demonstrated here can help give you a starting place for that.